Good morning, traders. It's Peter Thompson, senior mentor of 1 billion Signal, sponsored by Merit Forex. August just started, guys, and it's gonna be unusual for sure. It's not gonna be like any other August that we usually have with low volatility. The markets are sleeping, the traders are going on vacations. I don't think so this August specifically. Let's get start with simply the economic calendar to see what do we have is the NFP week. Non-farm payroll is more than important than ever because right now everybody is focused on the labor market in United States, especially when it comes to the Federal Reserve. They're watching closely to see is it recovering, and of course in terms of start interest rate hikings that we've been all expecting, but for now they keep quiet. So we have on Monday manufacturing PMI 8:30 a.m. GMT for UK, of course, ISM manufacturing PMI 2 p.m. GMT for US. This is it for Monday. Tuesday we have interest rate decision in Australia early morning 4:30. We're gonna see Australian dollar volatile, employment change 10:45 in New Zealand, pretty late, but it's not the most volatile event, I would say. Wednesday, ADP non-farm employment change 12:15, 15 minutes after 12 GMT again. ISM non-manufacturing PMI USD is gonna affect the US dollar 2 p.m. 2:30 p.m. We have crude oil inventories. Interesting, the crude oil is actually unusually strong. It keeps the highs. We're gonna take a look in about a minute. Thursday we have interest rate in UK 11 GMT. Very volatile event, one of the most volatile events as usual, so expect volatile Great British Pound on Thursday. Initial jobless claims also important for the US dollar 12:30 and for the labor market in US, and of course our first Friday of the month, lovely non-farm payroll and unemployment rate. So let's take a look what we have on the markets. US dollar, by the way, continue its slide down. Also, the US market rebounded on Friday. I'm talking about the American indices, S&P 500, for example. And this is what actually is continue pushing US dollar going down. In front of us is the euro US dollar. You can see from the bottom, the last week was pretty green for the euro, not because of the strength of the euro, because of the weakness of the US dollar. Still the US dollar is weak, so that's why careful by taking any short trades on the euro US dollar. On the GBP side, again, quickly, we have interest rate decision on Thursday. GBP is gonna be very volatile on Thursday. Also interesting, as you can see, it's rebounded much more, 350 compared to the euro US dollar 350 pips. The price right now is holding right below the resistance level 1.3918, but I think even with a slight drop to the downside, I think we are in the upside trend. We have an upside trend here, so I'm gonna looking for good buy trades on the GBP currency pairs. Australian US still trying to recover, but it's definitely holding the lows. As I'm a little bit surprised because Australia is one of the countries with super low COVID cases, and logically speaking, it had to rebound much faster than the rest of the countries, but obviously it's not happening. Still keeping the support 0.7340, and I'm waiting to see upward pressure, but until then I'm just gonna wait a bit to see how it's gonna perform on the bottom. Exactly the same with the New Zealand USD. As you can see, it's going in a very, I wouldn't say range because it's not pretty clear, but still it's fluctuating and consolidating on the bottom. Right now is 0.6961, and I'm waiting to see how the price is going to react around this support level. USDCAD, I'm going to crude oil directly because it's much more interesting than USD Canadian. As you can see, we've been expecting the drop from here, $72 per barrel. For now, we're on 73.26, nothing much difference, but I think definitely we can see one more push to the downside. So crude could be good shorting opportunity in the near future. USDCAD, as you can see, pretty clear. Absolutely, USD Canadian is in a downtrend. definitely, we talked about it too. Many people are asking me, isn't that an uptrend? No, guys, in my opinion, it's not, simply because the downtrend is very solid. As you can see and zoom out the chart, you're gonna see very long-term downtrend. So exactly because of this, I'm hunting for a short rates on the USD Canadian no matter what, at least until the Federal Reserve start increasing the interest rates. Until that time, I am shorting USD CAD. USD Swiss, wow, okay, this was easy one. So as you can see, pretty well respected the resistance 0.92 and big drop 150 pips for the full week last week, and right now we can see slight rebound to the upside, and then of course continuation to the downside. And our lovely USD Japanese yen, it's pretty favorite of mine. um, I see here, yeah, again, it's the same discussion about the uptrend. Yeah, it could be considered technically as an uptrend, but US dollar is very weak right now. That's why I'm a little bit surprised how the USD Japanese is still holding the highs, but I think big drop is coming on the USD Japan as well. So thank you very much for watching, guys. Really hope you enjoyed these videos. Of course, share us and like us on the social medias. This is helping our channel a lot. Thumbs up if you like the video. If you want to reach me, you know how to do it. Go have fun and have a very profitable week. Bye bye.